One of the quickest ways to find out if the library has access to an item is to search for it by its title. This type of search is useful for finding textbooks, ebooks and print books, scholarly and popular articles, streaming and tangible media, and much more. To begin, go to the Claremont College's library website, then scroll to the center of the page to the library search field. There are two methods you can use to search by title. The first is to type or paste the title into the search field and then change the search parameters to title in the drop-down list. The second option is to type or paste the title and then put it in quotes. If you choose to search using quotes, you can leave the default search parameter to keyword. Searching using quotes locks in the order in which the words appear so that your search finds items with that exact phrase. This is also called an exact phrase search. I'm going to search for the book Bury My Heart at Wounded Knee using the title drop-down selection. Notice that as I type, there is no need to use capital letters. I will also leave the option to search for libraries worldwide so that I can see all options available to me. Library search works to return the most relevant items first in your search results. In this case, it displays items found in the Claremont College's library collections that match my search with the title field. My search results show me that the Claremont College's library has a copy of this book, and that it's available in both print and ebook format. It also shows me that there's a DVD film available and several articles with the same title. To access the ebook, click on the View eBook button. You may be prompted to sign in through the central authentication system before accessing the item. This means that you need to be a current student, faculty member, or a staff member to access the materials. To check out the print item, click on the title and then scroll to the Get This Item button. Now I'm going to do a search to find an article by title using quotes, also called an exact phrase search. I found a reference to this article, Breast Cancer in Young Women, in Overview, while searching Google. But now I want to find out if the library has access to the full text so that I can read it. To start, just paste or type the title, put it into quotes, and then click on the search button. When you find the item that you're looking for, click on the View PDF or View Full Text button to open it. Depending on the database, it may open in your screen or instantly download to your device or computer. If you don't see the View PDF or View Full Text button displayed, click on the title and then use the Get This Item button to request a copy via resource sharing. For more information, check out the Claremont College's Library YouTube channel and explore our website. You can also contact us via Ask Us or chat for more questions.